Honestly, you can just, they gave me an extra bowl here because it's too big. Oh, it just goes in. All right, check it out, guys. It's Trevor James. I'm here with Ting, and today we are so pumped because we are going to Sri Lanka very shortly, and we're gonna make a quick update video for you guys, go for a delicious bowl of noodles, and ask you for some recommendations as well. It's just right up here. Let's go check it out. So this is it right up here, guys. This is our little neighborhood noodle joint. We're gonna have a bowl and have a chat, ask you for some recommendations for Sri Lanka because I cannot wait. And check this out. They've actually put our video screenshots on their banner here because we shot here once before. Pretty cool. Here we go, guys. Ni hao. So just look at this place here, guys. They've got all the noodles you could dream of right here at the top. There's pao jiao niu mian, the pickled chili with beef noodles. And the noodles are so perfectly springy and delicious. And they're just making it in the back. And we just got into the kitchen here. We filmed this joint before on our Dan Dan noodle tour, and we are gonna have a delicious bowl here. We're just making, just preparing the noodles here, and it's gonna go over top of the sauce. The jiangyo, the Sichuan peppercorn, the pao jiao pickled chili, it's all gonna be on here and delicious. Oh, it's all完了嘛. Look at that. The pao jiao. Oh, look at that. Shenzhou. Hi, haola. Oh, the onion. That's beautiful. Cilantro. Oh, 这个是红油嘛. Pao niu rou, 烧子. Look at that. That's ground beef 烧子. That's where the flavor comes from. Oh, how? Pupa. They're making it spicy. Oh. Extra sauce. Look at that. Here it is, Thai haola. 谢谢你. Oh, 谢谢你. Oh, and Ting's just getting a little extra xiang Thai on there. Look at that. That just looks so beautiful. Oh, and Ting's just mixing hers up. Look at those. Mix those beauties up. Honestly, you can just, they gave me an extra bowl here because it's too big. Oh, it just goes in. How? Oh, that is beautiful, and you gotta mix them up. So we wanna bring you here today to enjoy these noodles and ask you if you have any recommendations for Sri Lanka. We're looking for specific locations, street food, restaurants, anything that is worthy to eat and share to the world, so that we can provide recommendations for you guys if you come to Sri Lanka, or if you're from Sri Lanka, we would love to hear from you and your recommendations as well. Look at all that chili oil in there, guys. That is so xiang. And the real winner here is that I ordered 10 kwai of extra beef. Oh, look at all that, and we're gonna try that out. Oh yeah. That's really good beef. Wow, that is so delicious, guys, and so xiang. Look at those noodles just soaked with chili, pickled chili and fresh chili. So it's sour and spicy. Unbelievable noodles. This is on the map, so if you guys want to come here to Chengdu, try these out. It's totally worth coming here to eat these.
Oh my god, that's spicy.
It's spicy, right?
Oh.
So today is an update video. We want to tell you guys about our trip to Sri Lanka. Really excited about that. We're going to be spending 2 or 3 weeks there, specifically going out, creating these videos for you, finding delicious food, and we need your recommendations. So I'm going to create a link in the description below and in my pinned comment to my website. You can leave a comment there if you've been to Sri Lanka or if you're from Sri Lanka. We would love to hear where you recommend to go eat and where we should go for the best food. We really want to try the whole spectrum of delicious cuisine in Sri Lanka. It's been Ting's dream to travel to Sri Lanka for a long time. We're finally going. We can't wait to go, but we need your recommendations. So if you have any delicious street food locations in any city, we're open to going anywhere. So if you recommend a certain city, a certain restaurant, a certain stall, a seafood place, a seafood market, a street food market, anywhere that's really cool, vibrant, anywhere that's really cool and vibrant and has a really nice vibe that we can recommend for you guys, our followers on our blog, we would love to go visit. And then also in 2019, we're just making our plans now. We have a lot of places we want to go. We've just finished our Chengdu food guide on our website. It's free for you guys. You can go check it out if you come to Chengdu. We want to create these guides everywhere we go. So we're starting with our base. We just finished Chengdu. We've done Xi'an. We want to do Beijing and Shanghai, but outside of China as well. We want to create one in Sri Lanka. We want to create some in Mumbai and Delhi, in India. We want to go to Pakistan. We want to go so many places, and I really can't wait to share what we find with you guys all along the way. But first, we're going to Sri Lanka, and we would love for your recommendations. And if you guys notice, one thing about the videos that we've created so far is that the food is important, but what I'm usually trying to showcase is how friendly people are around the world. And we've done that in China a lot. We want to do that in other countries as well, so we're going to Sri Lanka next. And look at this, guys. Our video is on the TV in this restaurant. Wow. That is awesome. So this place has actually seen quite a few guests come because of our video. And that's what we like to do. We like to showcase the friendly people and also help local businesses if we can. Tai hao le. Xie xie, xie xie. And that's what we just ate. Gonna be the last bowl of delicious noodles before Sri Lanka. That was delicious, guys. We just finished up and the Lao band here is so friendly. Xie xie ni. Tai hao chi la. And wow, we are full. Xie xie.
Oh, bye bye.
下次见. Bye-bye. That was just delicious, guys. And I would love to hear your comments down below if you have any recommendations for Sri Lanka. We are so pumped. And next year, 2019 is gonna be a big year of travel and street food content for you guys. Thanks so much for watching, guys.